Welcome to this video on the technique of chunking taught in primary schools as a method of carrying out division. Many parents are not familiar with this method, so find it hard to help their children with division. The aim of this video is to introduce you to chunking and to demonstrate how it works. Chunking is based on repeated division, so can be used by children who can recall their times tables as well as those who cannot. Chunking is not an efficient method of carrying out division, but a way of developing the child's understanding and skills before progressing on to the bus stop method. So let's first look at carrying out a division using repeated subtraction. So let's look at a simple sum to start with. We'll look at 16 divided by 3. So repeated subtraction is exactly what it tells us, or exactly what it is. So we start with 16 and we take away 3, and that obviously gives us 13. We can still take away 3, so we do it again, and that gives us what, 10? And we can do it again, giving us 7. Notice the problem is we quickly run out of paper. And we can do it, oh, lost myself. We can do it again. And then finally, one more time, giving us 1 at the end. So this tells us, if we can count it through, that if we divide 16 by 3, we will have once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, with 1 left over. So 16 divided by 3 equals 5, remainder 1, or more accurately 5 1/3. You can see the problem with this. It would be highly inefficient if we had to carry out this division on a large number using this method. The idea of chunking is to get around this. How it does this is by allowing the child to use their knowledge of number and their ability to recall number facts. Let's look at chunking now. So this is a slightly more difficult question. It's a lot more difficult question. So the question is going to be 247 divided by 3. So just like the last time, we start off simply. Don't have to, but we're going to in this case. We're just going to take away 3. So I'm going to have 247, take away 3, this gives me 244. Still going to stay simply, that's one way, it's 1 times 3 equals 3. Still keep it simple, so I'm going to do the same again. Now if I carry on doing this, it's going to take a very long time to get to the answer. So I think to myself, do I have to carry on just taking 3, or can I take away a multiple of 3? I think, well, I know what 10 times 3 is. I know that 10 times 3 equals 30. So this time I'm going to take away 30. Oops. So 241 take away 30 gives me 211. Now I can look at it again and perhaps get a little braver. So this time, instead of taking away 30, I think to myself, well, I can take away 60 or even 90. So I think 30 times 3 equals 90. So all the time I'm recording what I'm doing down here, because we're going to use that later to work out just how many times 3 divides into it. into the original number. So now I've got 211, take away 90, gives me 121. Still have the problem where I'm going to have to roll up further just to give myself some more space. I look at it again and I think, okay, again, I'm going to take away 90. And this gives me 31. Obviously I can't take away 90 again, so I go back down to taking away, whoops, lost my pen, taking away 30. So now I have taken threes or multiples of threes over and over again from the original figure. So let's have a look and see what it shows us. So going back to the original sum, what can we tell? Well, what we do now is add up these figures here. So first of all, I took away 3, so I obviously did that one time. And then I did it again, so that gave me 2. This gave me 12. This gave me 42. This would have given, this would have given me 72, and this would have given me 82. So I know that 247 divided by 3 gives me 82 remainder 1, or 82 1/3. Have a go at this yourselves, and then perhaps send me a comment and tell me how you did. Thank you for watching this video.